Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating every leakage path. Sound follows air. Measure walls, door gaps, and window seams so you know what to seal. Once done, apply acoustic caulk to gaps and install weather stripping around the door frame. These small fixes cut flanking noise dramatically. Next, fit a door sweep and temporarily hang a 2. You now add mass and absorb energy where it builds. Start with acoustic panels at first reflection points. These tame mid to high frequencies quickly. Once those are placed, hang mass-loaded vinyl over drywall or build a double-layer wall with damping compound. This lowers airborne transmission. Make sure to install bass traps in corners to control low-end. You finish by sealing every final penetration and tuning the room. Begin with electrical box putty, foam gaskets, and insulated vent baffles. Then test using broadband noise and an SBL app to map stubborn frequencies. Once you see results, add tuned membrane absorbers or adjust panel placement to target resonant peaks. If you still hear leakage, walk the perimeter while someone plays noise. Listen with headphones to localize. One troubleshooting tip: if low frequencies remain, add more mass or thicker, coupled bass trapping rather than more thin panels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.